Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alexey, and today what we're gonna be doing is take a look at Getgood's Snare Bleed Kill trick. Getgood is a metal sound engineer who has been working with such great metal bands and artists like Devin Townsend, Animals as Leaders, Architects, and many more. Also, Adam has wonderful videos and courses on mixing metal on Nail the Mix, the best online community on recording, mixing and mastering metal music. If you want to learn from Adam on mixing metal, you can check out his videos and courses on Nail the Mix. All links will be in the info box of this video. In our today's video, we're gonna be taking a look at Getgood's Snare Bleed Kill trick. First of all, let's have a listen to our snare. For our snare, we're going to be using FabFilter Pro MB, and here we're going to be using Expand mode. Here we're going to be using Free. We're going to be using Fast Attack and Fast Release, and we have to adjust our threshold. Now let's have a listen to our snare. Let's have a listen to our snare with and without Pro MB. So, by using this simple trick, you can kill bleed on your snare in any mix. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.